Let's ride motorcycle repair. Let's ride motorcycle repair.
So there's a lot of questions that I get. And I try to go over with them and try to make them kind of public, because I know if one person's asking them, there's going to be a lot of people that ask them. So, Hillbilly is a real person. Good friend of mine, I worked with him for 12 years out at a previous job. And when Hillbilly got a bike, me and him went on a ride on New Year's Day. I absolutely froze my ass off. And at one point in time, we stopped, and I asked him, I said, so is this Greenback? Because I really don't know where I'm at. And he looked at me, and he took a cigarette out of his mouth. He goes, boy, you're in Georgia. And ever since then, me and Hillbilly have been riding all over East Tennessee, North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia, West Virginia. We've been going all over the place. Kentucky. It's just really fun to ride with Hillbilly. So yes, Hillbilly is a real person. He actually does do a lot of rides, which is why I got the sticker on his bike. And when you see that, if you go ahead and grab a sticker from him, you get some discounted service if you want it. Or you can get a sticker of yourself just to say that you follow the Hillbilly. The other question that I get a lot is like, what areas do you serve and what services do you do? Air filters, oils, fluids, tire pressure, changing tires, changing rotors, bearings, seals, races. I can do just about all of it. So if you have anything, definitely give me a call and let me know. We'll talk about it and see what we got to do, and we'll go from there. I don't mark up on parts. A lot of people ask me for how much is my markup. I don't mark up on parts. I get paid $60 an hour to do what I'm doing. That's $1 a minute. I think that's more than enough of a markup to go ahead and get somebody to work on your bike. The other thing is that the areas that I serve. So I'm in East Tennessee, and if I can get to you within an hour, I'll come out and do the job. It's that simple. If you're in North Knoxville, if you're in Powell, if you're in New Tazewell, if you're in Crossville, if you are in Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg, anywhere, if you have a bike that you want to have some work done on, give me a call. We'll talk about it. We'll see exactly what I can't do for you, and I'll come out and help you out. So hopefully that answers some questions. Definitely subscribe to the channel. I got the YouTube channel on my Facebook page now. I got people asking me left and right if I got TikTok or X or TikTok, whatever the hell it's called. I don't right now. I'm not sure that I can handle 3 freaking social media platforms, but we'll see what we can do. But for right now, it's another day. It's another good day for a good day. So get out there, get your riding in. It's starting to cool off here in East Tennessee. So till next time, let's ride.